the rubbish that people leave behind. Hi, my name is Angelo, and I'm with the Field Ornithology Department team for this expedition of the Knucklesmountainrange and climbing Riverston. So today was our second day, and we've been birding throughout the morning and afternoon hours, and currently we're descending, and the rest of my team is further ahead and a few behind me. So in progressing through the descent, all we can do is we started to collect all the rubbish that has been left behind by the greatest predator known to nature and wildlife, and that is mankind. I guess in making this awareness, all I can say is that we need to be a bit more responsible and make awareness, but change comes from within, because we are surrounded only by this one nature that we have, and we need to be able to protect it. If not us, then who? Not now, then when? If not here, then where? I mean, we found things like plastic forks, plastic bags, wrappers, chocolate wrappers, a whole box of an ice cream cone box. Best one was a tempered glass of a phone. I mean, obviously that phone would have dropped. Instead of just, putting it into a bag without even using the mobile phone, they've taken the tempered glass and thrown it straight into the bushes. So one of my team members picked it up, and we've been just collecting the rest of whatever we can, and we've been putting it into a bag which we will dispose of. So people I would actually say to the city folk as well as the locals, be a bit more responsible. Thank you.